Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on the application of Chatbot AI. Nova, we click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here we'll search about Chatbot AI Nova. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on clear cache. Then we click on we click on storage. When we click on first stop, we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache, and in the end you will turn off your phone, so please don't